Welcome back. Today we're going to finish off taking all the bits out of the engine bay and hopefully take the engine out. Right, I'm going to try and take the coil out, distributor. Apparently with the distributor you need to remove the, you don't take the shaft out, you take the sort of bracket that fit around the shaft, so you make sure that the timing's all fine. So white in this side, white and black on that side. Right, I've just jacked the car up to see, because I have a feeling I need to remove this oil filter to be able to get, because otherwise it will be fouling on this steering column and I won't be able to get the starter motor out. But it's right in the wheel well, so I need to go in this way. Right, if you can see, it's just up here. Where is it? Here. So it's just a little bolt here. It really is a pain to get to. So I've loosened this one here, the bracket keeping on the exhaust, and now I'm also beginning to, where is it here, undo the for the prop shaft. Right, so I've been doing a little bit of homework about this cylinder head, because from the date stamp, which is just around here, it shows that it's a 71 build and the number in there is a 12H2709, and what I've read online is that that's actually the head which has the big exhaust and inlet valves, which is commonly used on sort of more race engines. So it might be that it's had a reconditioned head, and possibly there might have been more work done to it, but we'll have to take the head off to find out. Somehow I twisted it and it has come out. It's coming out. It's just a bolt at the top and bottom and the power, so it should come out quite easily. Alright, so I've just been working in here and I've just removed a clip, so I've got these bits that are coming out of, and you need to do this so you can get the gear stick out. Just disconnected the clutch. I think it's a slave cylinder, which just connects up here, 2 bolts. It just comes out quite easily. I need to just tuck it up here now so it stays out of the way. Next up is disconnecting the gearbox, putting a jack stand under there to support it before we take out the engine.